In this video, I'll go over 4 different examples of multiplying polynomials. There are problems just like this on your worksheet that you're doing today, and there will be some like this on your quiz tomorrow. So if you get stuck, definitely watch this video. For number 1, we did a couple of problems like this in your notes, but in case you forgot, 2x minus 7 squared is the same thing being multiplied by itself. So it's 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. Okay, and then you multiply 2x times 2x, and that is 4x squared. 2x times that negative 7 is negative 14x. And here, negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. And then negative 7 times negative 7 is a positive 49. Okay, and I do have like terms to combine in the middle there, so you do need to keep going. So 4x squared, and then negative 14x minus 14x is not 0, but it's negative 28x. And then plus 49. Okay. So hopefully that one wasn't too bad. These next 3 that we do deal with trinomials. So on this one, you're going to have to do 3m times that, 3m times that, 3m times that. And then you will do negative 2 times that, that, and that. So when you multiply everything out, you should have 6 terms before you start combining things together. So the first one is 3m times 2m squared. That is 6m cubed, because this is 1m plus 2m's would be 3. 3m times 4m is a positive 12m squared. And 3m times negative 7 is negative 21m. Okay, now we'll go on to that negative 2. So negative 2 times 2m squared is negative 4m squared. Negative 2 times positive 4m is negative 8m. Negative 2 times negative 7 is a positive 14. Okay, now I see that I have an m squared and an m squared, and I have an m and an m. So I'm going to combine those together. In standard form, the 6m cubed would go first, and then the m squareds would go, so 12 minus 4 is a positive 8. And then for the m's, negative 21 minus 8 would be a negative 29m. And then plus 14. And I don't have anything else to combine, so I am done. And you do have a few of those on your assignment today. Like number 12, 13. Yeah, so you do need to know how to do this. There will be at least one of these on your quiz as well. Now, I know that was super fun, and it's about to get even more fun because we have a trinomial times a trinomial. So for this one, when you multiply everything out before you combine everything together, you're going to have 9 terms. Up here we had 6. Down here we will have 9. So here we go. And other years I've taught this with 3 different colors. So you do like y squared in orange. I guess I can do that on this one. So y squared times 2y squared is 2y to the 4th. And then y squared times 9y is a positive 9y cubed. And y squared times negative 1 is negative y squared. Okay, and then I can switch colors here. I can do negative 2y times 2y squared, negative 2y times 9y, and negative 2y times negative 1. And for these, I've seen people write them vertically like this or just in one long line. It does not matter to me. But negative 2y times 2y squared is a negative 4y cubed. Negative 2y times 9y is negative 18y squared. And negative 2y times negative 1 is a positive 2y. Okay, I need one more color. I guess we can do blue. So the blue will be the 3. So 3 times 2y squared is a positive 6y squared. And then 3 times 9y is a positive 27y. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, now we have to combine like terms. So in this one, I see a y cubed and a y cubed. I see a y squared, and a y squared. And then I see a y and a y. So these two do not have any friends, if you will. So these will not combine with anything, but everything else will. Okay, so let's start it. 2y to the 4th. And I'm going to cross this off as I go because I might get lost in this. I have 9y cubed minus 4y cubed. 9 minus 4 is 5, so this is positive 5y cubed. I'm going to cross those out. And then for my y squared ones, I have negative 1 minus 18 plus 6. And that is a negative 13y squared. I'm going to cross those out. And I have my y's right here, 2y plus 27y is 29y. And the only thing that's left is minus 3. That's it. And you do have at least 2 of them. Yeah, I think 2 of them on your assignment today. So plan on there being at least 1 on your quiz tomorrow. Okay, we got one more. And this is kind of like number 1, how it's written as it's squared, but it's 3 terms. So for this one, it would be 2x squared minus x plus 1 times itself. So 2x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, and you don't have to use different colors if you don't want to. There are some colored pencils and markers up on that front table if you need them. This one I'll just use orange. So 2x squared times 2x squared is 4x to the 4th. 2x squared times negative x is negative 2x cubed. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 2x squared times 1 is just 2x squared. Okay, and then for this one, negative x times 2x squared is negative 2x cubed. Negative x times negative x is a positive x squared. Negative x times 1 is negative x. Okay, and this one, it's 1 times 2x squared, so that's 2x squared. 1 times negative x is negative x. 1 times 1 is 1. And a lot of people put 2 for that one for some odd reason, but all of you know that 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, now I have an x cubed and an x cubed, x squared, x squared, x squared. Well, yeah, there's 2 x's. Okay, here we go. 4x to the 4th. And then x cubes, let's see, negative 2 minus 2, that would be negative 4x to the 3rd. For my x squared ones, I have 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So that is plus 5x squared. Okay. And then I have negative x minus x. That would be minus 2x. And then plus 1. I don't have any other like terms, so I am going to box my answer, or circle your answer, whatever you want to say you're doing. But that is it. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Schoology, ask me for help. But go ahead and get your worksheet done.